Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
With Britain's currency sinking and the US Federal Reserve poised to raise borrowing costs aggressively, Bank of England policymakers may suddenly feel pressured to announce an outsized interest rate hike of their own this week. The Litecoin price is in a downward trend as the price broke below the current support at $60. The bears have also undercut the previous low at $54. The upward movement was limited by the 21-day line SMA. Japan's government hopes the central bank will take necessary measures appropriately in light of the yen's recent sharp falls and the rising cost of living, Chief Cabinet Secretary Hirokazu Matsuno said. The euro fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold rose 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The dollar-yen pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's employment change at 01:30 GMT. The Eurozone's labour cost at 0900 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 01:30 GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.